Video Editing Crash Course, an overview and its role in creating compelling visual stories. Introduction. Video editing is the art of manipulating and rearranging video clips to create a cohesive and engaging visual narrative. It is a crucial step in the post-production process and plays a significant role in shaping the final outcome of any video project, be it a short film, documentary, commercial, or even a YouTube video. In this crash course, we will explore the fascinating world of video editing, its importance in storytelling, and the top techniques and methods used by professionals to create captivating visual stories. Story: the power of editing. Imagine a documentary filmmaker who embarked on a journey to capture the breathtaking beauty of a remote island. Armed with a camera and hours of footage, the filmmaker faced the daunting task of condensing months of shooting into a compelling documentary. Through the magic of editing, the filmmaker skillfully weaved together stunning visuals, emotional interviews, and captivating music to transport viewers into the heart of the island's culture and natural wonders. This story illustrates the power of video editing in bringing stories to life and evoking emotions in the audience. Now, let's delve into the top 12 video editing techniques and methods that will help you craft visually stunning and emotionally engaging stories. 1. Selecting and organizing footage. The first step in video editing is to review and select the best shots from the recorded footage. Organize the clips into folders or bins based on categories, scenes, or sequences to facilitate easy access during the editing process. 2. Creating a storyboard or script. A storyboard or script acts as a roadmap for the editing process. It helps in visualizing the flow of the narrative, arranging scenes in a logical order, and ensuring coherence in storytelling. 3. Cutting and trimming. Cutting and trimming involve removing unwanted or unnecessary parts of the footage to tighten the pacing and focus the viewer's attention on the essential elements. Trim clips to eliminate pauses, mistakes, or any footage that doesn't contribute to the story. 4. Transitions. Transitions are visual effects that bridge the gap between two clips, enhancing the flow and continuity. Common transitions include cuts, fades, dissolves, wipes, and slide effects. Use transitions strategically to create smooth and seamless scene changes. 5. Audio editing. Audio is a crucial component of video editing. Edit and mix audio tracks to ensure clarity, balance, and synchronization with the visuals. Remove background noise, adjust volume levels, and add music or sound effects to enhance the overall impact. 6. Color correction and grading. Color correction and grading involve adjusting the colors, tones, and overall look of the footage to achieve a desired mood or aesthetic. Enhance the visual appeal by adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and applying color filters or grading presets. 7. Adding titles and graphics. Titles and graphics add context, information, or visual interest to the video. Use text overlays, lower thirds, and animated graphics to introduce segments, identify speakers, or provide additional information to the audience. 8. Visual effects. Visual effects can be used to add visual interest, enhance storytelling, or create specific atmospheres. Examples include green screen compositing, motion tracking, and adding special effects like explosions or supernatural elements. 9. Pace and rhythm. The pace and rhythm of a video significantly impact its impact on the audience. Experiment with the timing and arrangement of shots to create a dynamic and engaging rhythm that suits the tone and narrative flow. 10. Storytelling techniques. Video editing is fundamentally about storytelling. Use techniques like parallel editing, montage, juxtaposition, and narrative structure to convey emotions, build suspense, or convey complex ideas. 11. Collaboration and feedback. Seek feedback from colleagues or clients during the editing process. Collaborate with others to gain fresh perspectives and refine the narrative. Constructive feedback can help polish the final product and make it resonate with the intended audience. 12. Exporting and rendering. After completing the editing process, export the final video in the desired format and resolution. Ensure the settings align with the intended platform or medium of distribution, such as YouTube, television, or film. Summarizing the video editing techniques. In summary, video editing is a creative process that involves selecting, organizing, and manipulating footage to create visually captivating and emotionally compelling stories. The top 12 video editing techniques and methods are: 1. Selecting and organizing footage. 2. Creating a storyboard or script. 3. Cutting and trimming. 4. Transitions. 5. Audio editing. 6. Color correction and grading. 7. Adding titles and graphics. 8. Visual effects. 9. Pace and rhythm. 10. Storytelling techniques. 11. Collaboration and feedback. 12. Exporting and rendering. By mastering these techniques and methods, you can elevate your video editing skills and create impactful visual stories that resonate with your audience. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Poem. In the realm of visuals, where stories come alive, video editing thrives, captivating every eye. Selecting footage, organizing the tale, crafting a narrative that'll never pale. Cutting and trimming, removing the excess. Pacing the rhythm, making scenes progress. Transitions that glide, from frame to frame. Smooth and seamless, they never look the same. Color correction, a touch of grading's art. Enhancing emotions, setting the right chart. Titles and graphics, they add a visual flair. Guiding the audience, taking them there. Visual effects, a touch of magic's grace. Green screens, explosions, a surreal embrace. Pace and rhythm, the heartbeat of the show. Engaging the viewer, making emotions flow. Storytelling techniques, weaving the plot. Montage, parallel editing, connecting the dot. Collaboration and feedback, a creative embrace. Polishing the story, adding finesse and grace. Exporting the masterpiece, a journey's end. Sharing with the world, to transcend. Video editing, a symphony of sight. Crafting compelling stories, igniting the light. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of videos, where tales unfold, video editing's magic takes hold. Selecting footage, organizing the scenes. Crafting narratives, like vivid dreams. Chorus. Cutting and trimming, transitions smooth. Audio and color, the final groove. Titles and graphics, visual delight. Video editing, a wondrous flight. Verse 2. Visual effects, a touch of fantasy. Pace and rhythm, setting the story free. Collaboration and feedback, a shared creation. Exporting the masterpiece, with anticipation. Chorus. Cutting and trimming, transitions smooth. Audio and color, the final groove. Titles and graphics, visual delight. Video editing, a wondrous flight. Bridge. In the realm of visuals, stories come alive. Through editing, emotions thrive. Weaving tales with expertise and care. Video editing, a world to share. Chorus. Cutting and trimming, transitions smooth. Audio and color, The final groove. Titles and graphics, visual delight. Video editing. A wondrous flight. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.